She decided to diet. Day 1. She throws out the cookies, chips, and leftover regret. Fridge is empty. She's proud, motivated, determined. She wakes up the next day. Boom. Fridge is full. Pizza, mac and cheese, a perfectly frosted cake labeled "Good Morning Quitter." She screams, slams it shut, goes for a walk, comes back. Now there's tacos and a note. Hot sauce in the crisper drawer, sweetie. She tries again, goes keto. Next morning, a lasagna. Still warm, smelling like betrayal. She installs a camera, rewinds the footage. Nobody enters. The fridge just opens itself. She's not on a diet anymore. She's in a custody battle with her fridge. Subscribe to ToiletShortStories before your kitchen turns against you too.